We'll guide you through how to convert numbers to words in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Excel, and you can go and see here I've got a column of numbers and I want to go and put them into words. We're guiding you through this step by step, so make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you may then go and miss something important. So this is quick and convenient as well. You aren't going to be manually writing out each of these into the words. Do not worry. So without any other further ado, let's get started. What you're going to need to do is you need to go and come to the top of Excel into the ribbon or header, right click in some blank space, press customize the ribbon. Now you want to come over to the right here and go and find the option for developer. Make sure it's ticked and press OK. Then you can come to the top and go and press on developer and press Visual Basic to the left. At the top, you can press insert and press module. Come into the description. We're going to have a link to this here. You want to go make sure it's all selected by pressing Control A and press Control C. Mine's on my notepad, as of course I haven't got the video up yet. Then you can right click in here and press paste, and you can then go and close this like so. Now go and click in the cell where you want to go and have it and press equals and start typing in numbers to words. That's it there. With it selected, go and press tab, select the cell, and you can then close it with a bracket, press enter, and there it is. Of course, you can repeat this by clicking and holding in the bottom of the cell and dragging down. And there we have it.